Robert. What's in your jacket?
What's up?
What's in your jacket?
What's up? I'm just ready shopping and shit, brother.
What's in your jacket?
It's my stuff right here. This is my jacket. This is my stuff right here, brother.
You got a big bulge in your jacket.
I know, but this is my stuff right here. This is what I carry around. I just came over here so I can get some groceries, brother. I came out here so I can get some groceries, brother. What's going on?
Yeah, you have a CTW here, man.
I didn't know that. I talked to him until I could come back and stuff. I just come right here. I just come right here. I came from right there from the Albertsons right there. I went and bought some meat right there, and I bought some groceries. I went to my girlfriend's house and buy a soda, brother. Okay.
Okay. Right. Well, you got a CTW. You're not supposed to be here, man.
All right, man. That's cool. I didn't know that shit, man. That's cool. All right, brother.
All right. Do you mind? Yeah. Do you mind turning around? Place your hands behind your back.
Oh, for what, man? What's going on?
Do you mind turning around? Place your hands behind your back.
I didn't know I had a CTW, man.
Yeah, you got a CTW.
No, I didn't know. Hey, I didn't know, sir. Please. I didn't know that, sir. I didn't know that, sir. Please, please. No, sir, I didn't know. I didn't know that, sir. Hold on. I stuck in my sweater. I didn't know how to.
What's in there?
It's my food. I'm supposed to go to a party, sir. I didn't know that. It's like, hey, can you come me up with a big piece, sir? Man, I'm supposed to go to a party, sir.
Let's go.
All right, sir. I'm supposed to go to a party, sir.
Is it gonna fall out?
Yeah, it's gonna fall out, sir. It's my sweater. I'm supposed to go to a party.
Hold on, stop here.
Yeah, I'm supposed to go to a party, sir. I'm supposed to go to a party, sir. I have to go to my girlfriend's house. I'm supposed to go to my girlfriend's house. No, I bought this to Albertsons, man. I'm supposed to go to my girlfriend's house. You know what I'm saying? Like I'm saying.
Stop.
No. I'm supposed to go to my girlfriend's house, brother. Please, you guys can let me have a chance. Please, I didn't know that. I didn't do no trespass. You said you come back for me. I bought those at Albertsons, brother.
What else you got?
I bought those at Albertsons.
What else you got?
That's it. That's all I have.
I think it says Walmart right there, no?
No, I bought it at Albertsons, brother. Where does it say Walmart at? Where does it say Walmart, homie? I bought it at Albertsons. I promise you, man. I swear to God. I bought it at Albertsons, man. I didn't know how to CTW, man. I swear to God. I didn't know how to CTW.
Oh, you do?
No, I didn't know that. They come back and go.
Do you mind looking at the cameras real quick?
I didn't know I had a CTW, man. They told me to come back and shop. I was coming to buy some stuff right here. You know what I'm saying? If you can help me out. I mean, I bought this to Albertsons, please. No, can you help me out, please? Right. No, I'm going to say, man.
Thank you.
I'm supposed to go to my girlfriend, please.
Huh? Okay. I'm gonna search him.
I have to go to my girlfriend's, man. I have to go to my girlfriend's, brother.
Walk this way.
Man, please, man.
110 Central.
No, big brother, I love you. No, please, man. I'm saying, fuck.
You can show me 1015.
No, man, I'm saying, look what they did to me, man. What? Okay, sent it one. Man, please. Man, baby, I love you. Please, man, please.
Just settle down, Robert.
No, man, I'm saying something good, man. I'm saying something good. Please, baby. No. Hey, man, please.
Start here.
Right. Please, if you get, man, I'm supposed to go to my girlfriend's, man. I gotta go to a party, man. I gotta go to a party there, bro. Please, man. Help me out, please. I say, I'm sorry.
Robert,
I'm sorry.
Calm down.
Watch, I'm saying, I'm sorry, please.
Calm down.
I didn't know I had CTW, sir.
Robert,
I didn't know. I said I'll leave. Sir.
Calm down.
Okay,
Robert,
I said I'll leave.
Calm down.
Okay, I said I'll leave. Help me out, please.
130, do you mind holding him right here? I gotta do the closure.
Hey.
Thank you.
Hey, can you help me out with the warranty, please? Hey, can you help me out with the warranty? I said I'm sorry, sir. I didn't know I had CTW. Give me a shot, please. Give me a shot, please. I'm supposed to go to my girlfriend's, man. Please.
Yeah,
I'm supposed to go to my girlfriend's.
Two big old packages of Herb Eyes and a box of Oreos in this jacket. We're gonna see if you took them from here.
Hey, man, I'm supposed to go to my girlfriend's house. I'm supposed to go to my girlfriend's, please. Hey, they said I could come over here and buy soda, bro. Please.
Well, if they told you to come over here, you wouldn't have a CTW.
Well, I didn't know I had a CTW, bro. They told me to keep that shit off, bro. You know what I'm saying? I swear to God, man. They told me, dog. They told me I can go buy soda. Help me out, please. If you can let me go, please, with a warning, please, sir. I didn't know that shit. I'm supposed to be at my girlfriend's, man. It's my girlfriend's birthday party, man. Please. Man, I'm saying, please, man, sir. No, sir, if you help me out, please.
You got anything else in your pockets?
I don't have anything else. I just got my cigarettes and stuff, man.
Okay.
Like I'm saying, I'm supposed to go to my... Please, I'm sorry about that.
Did you? Okay.
No, just help me out. I'm saying, I'm sorry. I didn't know that. Please. Sir, if you can let me out with a warning, please. And if you let me out with a warning, please.
Wrap in your machete.
It wasn't mine, brother. My girlfriend bought it for me. I know, my girlfriend bought it. Hey, please, man, please, baby. Hey, man, please, they're not supposed to be doing this, man. I'm saying, please, I already told them, please. I mean, I'll go to the CTW, please. With a warning piece, with a warning. You guys, I didn't know that. Everybody put it on me, please. If you email one with a warning, please. Help me out, please, baby. Please, hey, babe. Help me out, please. Hey, I'm saying fucking watch. I'm saying they're not supposed to be doing that. They can't do that shit. They can't do that shit, man. It's on them. It's on the store. Everybody places CTW on me. They don't have to place the votes of warrants and shit. They don't have to go. They don't have to go on with this. Please help me out, please. I know, help me out. I know, you can't be doing that shit. You can't be doing that shit, bro. You can't be doing that shit, bro. You know what I know. You can't even hear. You can't hear. You can't be doing that shit. Help me out, please. I love you, baby. Watch, look at him. Hey, sir, help me out. Look at him. He's not supposed to be doing this. Watch. Hey, look what he's doing to me. Hey, look what he's doing to me. Ah, look what he's doing to me. No, help me out. Look what he's doing to me. All right, no, you can't be doing that shit to me, bro. I say, man, I got my girlfriend, bro. Please, I got my girlfriend, man. Don't be touching me like that, man. What the fuck, man? Help me out, please. Don't be touching me like. Hey, help me out, bro, sir. Hey, look what he's doing. Hey, sir, help me out, please. Hey, sir, he's not here, but they let me out with a CPW. You better try to put it on there. Sir, help me out, please. Look at him. Look, he's touching me twice already, sir. Help me out.
All right, send the unit.
All right, no, sir, watch, look at it. You know that I know you can't be doing that shit. You not watch, look at him. You can't be doing that shit. Help me out, sir. Watch, I'm saying something. Watch, it's all good, man. Watch, I'm saying it's all good, bro. Watch, I'm saying. Sir, help me out. Watch. All right, dog. Watch, I'm saying, homie. Watch, help me out, sir. Watch, hey, I don't have a CTW. You better try to put it on me. Watch, help me out. Man, help me out, please. Watch, I'm saying, help me out, please. Look at him. Help me out, baby. I don't have a CTW right here. He better try to put it on me right now. He better try to put it on me. Look it up. Look at him. Look at him. Get him before he gets. Help me, please. Look at it. Look at him. Look at him, man. Look at him. I say, help me out, please. Hey, look at him. Hey, man. Hey, help me out, please. I need to talk to somebody. Help me out. Hey, help me. Well, I don't have a CTW. What's up?
Chill out, dude.
I know, but where am I going, brother?
I don't know yet.
You're not piecing no.
Hold on, I'm trying to figure that out.
Okay,
just relax on me.
Okay, well, look at this guy has me all tied up and shit, bro. Come on, man.
You got your seatbelt.
No, I know. Why do you have my seatbelt on? I was asking if you gave me.
Because if we crash and you die, then it's our fault.
Man, I just said I could come back to the store, brother. They said it's all good. Walmart told me.
Well, I'm gonna verify that right now.
All right, then. They said it's all
just
good.
relax, okay?
All right, thank you. I appreciate it. They said it's all good. I can come back, bro.
Okay, relax.
What about the steaks? Sarge, what about the steaks?
It was theirs.
It was theirs?
Yeah, they're gonna give me a receipt.
Nice.
So it was a shoplifting plus trespassing.
Okay.
It's not gonna be anything big, but
No.
did he make you pass the bush? No, but
He
he had him.
He had him tucked, yeah.
Hey, you didn't have nothing else?
He just packed of cigarettes, that was it.
All right, bro. Yeah, if you wanna take them in, and then I'll get you a receipt and all that.
Okay,
So
that works.
sweet, good job.
Appreciate you guys, thank you.
Go. You can do this all night. You can't do this.